Let's make Galapao.
Alright, let's get started. In a mixing bowl, you're going to add all these following ingredients. Unbleached all-purpose flour, some double-acting baking soda, cake flour, and your instant yeast. Next, stir and combine well, followed by adding some milk. It's going to get really hard to stir, so if you have a mixer such as a KitchenAid, go ahead and use that. Once everything is well combined, go ahead and cover with saran wrap. We're going to let the dough rise 2 to 3 hours. Wow, look at that. It is so squishy, really fun to play with. It should be very airy. Next, you're gonna get your workout in. I swear cooking is a workout. Give your dough a good spanking. If it bounces back, it's good. Just kidding. Next, in the mixing bowl, add in your ground pork. We're gonna make our mixture. Alright, marinate and combine well. But for me, I did sugar, fish sauce, garlic powder, black pepper powder, MSG, chicken bouillon, and some sugar to kind of like balance all the flavor. With your mushroom, chopped onions. I'm gonna dust our area. Some flour. Dust that. Next, roll into a log and you're going to divide it into equal parts. Or you can weigh them individually depending on how big or how small you want your Galapao. When you stuff it, you don't want stuffing to fall out, so kind of roll out on the outside, okay? When rolling this out, the bigger it is, the more fillings you can put in there. So it's really up to you on how big you want your Galapao. Put it in. It's up to you how much meat you want in the middle. I'm gonna put my boiled egg here. There are different ways of making this too, okay? You can put Chinese sausages into if you like. Gonna bring it in here. Kind of pleat it, so you take your finger and kind of overlap it like this and pinch. See, it's starting to close up. Kind of like blank it in like this. You see that crease around it? You're pleating this, you kind of want to like wrap it like a blanket, okay? Now you're at the very end, you're gonna take the end of this right here and overlap it. So you take this and now you take the top part and give it a twist. And there we have our Galapao. Let's go ahead and cook this. Now as a Dao, I treasure Galapao. It is hard to find an Asian supermarket nowadays, so when I get to have it, it brings back childhood vibes. This is steamed pork buns. In Laos and Hmong, we call this Galapao. In Vietnamese, this is Bánh bao. Throughout Asia, everybody makes this. I love having this in dim sum too. Wow, look at that. So soft. I use cake flour with unbleached all-purpose flour. And gosh, it's so soft. So juicy inside. Savory, umami. If you had the feelings of an egg roll, that's pretty much what it is inside. So good.